Alright, is anyone else freaking out about that clauses quiz next period?
Yeah, I'm like freaking out.
Yeah, I don't know what a clause is. What?
I prepared a definition for you about clauses. Clauses is a unit of grammatical organization next below the sentence in a rank and in traditional grammar said to consist of a subject and predicate.
Shut up, nerd. Nobody cares about you knowing what clauses are. Kelsey and I are struggling, and we need to know what clauses are by next period.
Wait. What's the clause again?
Really? You don't know where the clause is? Where did the nerd go? Whatever. I didn't like him anyway.
No, I just happened to overhear that you guys are having some problems with clauses.
So you were eavesdropping.
Oh no, sister.
What's eavesdropping?
Never mind.
Well, you see, you guys don't know nothing about clauses, but I just happen to be the expert.
Well, we only have 5 minutes until lunch, so you better teach us.
Yeah, I prepared a song for you guys.
That's a little creepy, but okay.
Let's talk about independent clauses. They make me lose my mind.
Mine.
Link it with a conjunction. It works well every time. Independent clauses stand alone, but dependent can stand on their own. Subordinate conjunction to link the two. A full sentence, that's how you do.
Clauses. Let's talk about clauses. A clause is a different tale. Learn it and you won't fail. Let's talk about clauses.
Adjective clause is what we'll learn next. Relative pronouns is how you connect.
Okay.
Examples are who's, whom, and that. You better know this for a fact. You guys are learning, I love that sound.
Clauses. Let's talk about clauses. Cause a clause is a different tale. Learn it and you won't fail. Let's talk about clauses.
An adjective clause is what we'll learn next. Relative pronouns is how you connect. Examples are who's, whom, and that. You better know this for a fact. You guys are learning, I love that sound. Adjective clauses modify pronouns
And nouns.
Clauses. Let's talk about clauses. Cause a clause is a different tale. Learn it and you won't fail. Let's talk about clauses.
Clauses.
Non-essential clauses must be completed. They add information that is not needed. Non-essential clauses must be completed. They add information that is not needed. Essential clauses you should not fear. They make the sentence clear. Adverb clauses tell when, where, why, under what conditions I cannot lie. Non-essential clauses must be completed. They add information that is not needed. Essential clauses you should not fear. They make the sentence clear. Adverb clauses tell when, where, why, under what conditions I cannot lie.
The next day.
Okay. So, what'd you get on you guys' clauses quiz?
I got 100.
I got 100 too. What'd you get?
I got 99.
How'd you get a 99?
I forgot the name.
Cut.